can. Lest the cause of these ancient walls destroy you. I've told you, not even the stone will save you. Go back.
You dare to challenge the mighty stormers? You are ours. Prepare, boy, to meet thy...
And the fuse.
Get up! We shall withdraw for now. You are marked! The maelstrom does not forgive!
We won, didn't we?
They will be back.
Will they be back?
The only thing that will delay them is the storm. We have a bargain, host lord. I've helped you. Now it's your turn to help me rescue my brother.
A host lord always keeps his word, Señorita. I will work out a plan, but for now, we need to protect ourselves from the stormers. I'm going to check the fruit supply.
How did they get their hands on my fire fruit? How did they know about it, Dante?
The children are smarter than they look, Paco. Whereas you, it seems, are not.
And maybe you told them it was here and what it could do.
This is Stormer territory. Do you think I would be foolish enough to double-cross them?
I think you want those children to escape.
You accuse me. Paco, I'm hurt. After all the slaves we've sold together.
Listen to me, Dante. If you cheat the Stormers of their sacrifices, you might find yourself being sacrificed as well.
Now you threaten me. My compliments, Paco. That took courage. The maelstrom never forgets. The maelstrom never forgives. And neither do I.
What's up? Nothing, maybe. I just wish I knew what that girl was up to.
You're paranoid. You think everything's trouble.
You got that right.
Look, if she was some kind of enemy, why won't you save my life? If these vines really are dangerous.
Come. Crawlers. They'll squeeze you good and suck the life out of you. Yeah, what's this? See?
Hello, Marco. You must be Hawk.
This is your fault. I didn't invite her.
If you send me away, I'll yell for the Stormers.
Go on, yell. Runaway slaves make good sacrifices.
Not me. They want me back.